Good afternoon. This is Neil with Simple Futures. It is Wednesday, midweek, shuffle day, earnings day, Facebook, Roku, Teladoc, Waste Management, eBay, O'Reilly, Aflac, Boeing, General Dynamics, ADP, CME, Old Dominion Freight, Norfolk Southern, a little bit of airline, a little bit of pharmaceutical, you name it, it's going down today, going off. I mean, it's actually going up, so I won't say. But you know what I mean. And then if after we get through today, it only gets even busier tomorrow. Tomorrow is absolutely huge with Amazon and Intel, Pinterest, Activision, and T-Mobile, U.S. Steel, Caterpillar, American Airlines, MasterCard, Lilly, Domino's, Valero, Merck. I mean, and that's half of them. There's that many more still. So last we were together, you see in the left part of the screen over here, this was last week's balance. And actually, if you remember, we went back to April the 3rd through last Friday, and that was also balanced at about 41.53. And it was holding up on Monday when I wanted to use that as the over-under looking bullish. But since then, even with the good earnings too, which is crazy because the earnings have been good, Microsoft and I mean, there were the Google, everything was good, and yet prices are coming in. It's kind of strange. So from there, we're down, what to here is like about 75 or something. Anyway, it was painful. I had some kind of neutral kind of trades, but the problem was it's an iron condor. The problem was the put side was a 40, 80, 70 SPX on the put side, and that came under pressure. So I had to stop out of that stuff and just kind of take a breath. I actually ended up long from the lows today, though, trying to carry this stuff overnight, giving these earnings today a chance. So here's the plan for tomorrow, Thursday. And I like that. Look, you know, I was trying to like the market on Monday, and we're lower, but you know, I mean, I want to like it again tomorrow in front of Amazon, and we'll see how it goes. So here's the plan: 4,100. You can see it right there as weekly point of control. 4,100 is the over/under. Now, how do you get there? You got to get through 4090. This HVN right here, 4090, which is today's ending mid VWAP. 4090. 4090. Breach through 4090, you get 4,100 trade. Above 4,100, and I'm green light. That's me. We'll see, but that's my read. Green light. 4,130 and 4,153 are the bull targets. Back to balance on the top. Now, here's what the bearish scenario could look like, and that would be that it gets stuffed and trapped at 4,100. If it does that and starts to break back down through 4090, trading down from higher, trading down through today's mid VWAP, then you got to be targeting bearish 40.40 and 40.25 on the downside. Now, let me talk out of the other side of my mouth for a minute. If it breaks into that 40.25 level, I'm putting on SPX call butterflies for June that are 300 higher. 300 higher. Now, I know some of you just absolutely fell out of your chair and you're like, what did he just say? The guy's lost his mind. But I'm telling you right now, if this thing breaks and closes those gaps back down there at 40.25, I'm putting on those flies for June that are going to be 300 higher at 4,300, not 4,000, which is where it'll be at that time. SPX with 40.25 trade, the ES, the SPX going to be at 4,000, and I'm putting them on 300 higher. So that's what I'm doing. We'll see how it goes. Just remember, today is only midweek. We've got another really busy earnings afternoon tomorrow as well. Well, earnings day. There's a lot of this stuff pre-market. So that's what we got. Until with you again, take care, good trading. See you again soon. The next update. Probably do another video tomorrow night, to be honest with you, as busy as the earnings calendar is. So I'll see you probably again tomorrow night.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments that I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me